In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Davinci Resolve for faster editing using proxy and render cache. Whether you're a professional editor or just starting out, speeding up your workflow is always a good idea, and luckily Davinci Resolve offers some fantastic tools to help you do just that. First things first, let's head over to Davinci Resolve. If you haven't already downloaded it, you can find it on the Blackmagic Design website. Once the application is open, you'll be on the main page. Go ahead and click on a project of your choice. If you haven't created a project yet, now would be a good time. This initial setup is key for everything else that follows. With your project open, navigate to the edit page. This is your main workspace in Davinci Resolve. You'll do most of your editing here, so it's essential to get comfortable with it. Once you're on the edit page, direct your attention to the media pool. It's usually located in the top left corner. Click on it. The media pool is where all your video clips and other assets are located. It's like your project's central hub. Now let's focus on the proxy media. Right click on any of your clips in the media pool. A context menu will appear. From that menu you want to select the option for proxy media. What you're doing here is preparing the clip for proxy generation, which will make your editing process much smoother by creating lower resolution versions of your clips that are easier for your computer to handle. After right clicking, you'll see an option to generate proxy media. Click on that. Davinci Resolve will start creating these proxy versions of your clips. This might take a little time depending on the number of clips and your computer's processing power, but it's a worthwhile step because it greatly improves performance during editing. Next, let's move on to adjusting your render cache. Click on playback located in the top menu. Then from the drop down menu, select render cache. This feature is crucial for optimizing performance as it reduces the processing load on your computer by pre-rendering parts of your video. In the render cache menu you can choose between smart and user. The smart option is generally recommended for most users as it automatically decides what sections to cache, making your editing process more seamless and efficient. By following these steps, setting up proxy media and managing the render cache, you'll notice a significant boost in your editing speed. This optimization helps you work more efficiently, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your creative vision. So go ahead and give it a try. You'll soon find your Davinci Resolve experience to be much smoother. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.